Hello my friends, in this video I talk about using shorts to grow your channel. Firstly, I must confess that ultimately I have no interest in producing shorts. I prefer long form videos and that is the direction I wanted to travel with my channel. But in the interest of learning all things YouTube, I thought I would give it a go. My first few shorts were just a bunch of us on motorbikes being a bit reckless. I uploaded my first short, not really expecting much from it, and shortly after it was live I was blown away by the amount of views it received. It was getting views at a rate I've never experienced before on YouTube, and within a matter of minutes it had clocked up over 3,000 views. I was incredibly excited and thought to myself that shorts are the way to go. My mind was racing with ideas and I watched the analytics with glee, only for it to stop almost as quickly as it had started, and once again my world came crashing down. That said, over the next couple of weeks the video continued to rack up views, but at a much slower pace, and as of today it sits at just under 10,000 views. I've gained 6 subscribers from this short, 8 from my second, 8 from my third, 1 from my fourth and 2 from my fifth. That's 25 subscribers from 5 shorts that I really didn't spend much time producing at all. So, can you grow your channel from shorts? Absolutely yes you can, but on the basis that my channel is focused on long form content, is it really a benefit to me to be putting out these videos? Ultimately, I don't think so. I use clips that are ideal for rapid consumption but bear no relevance to the type of long form content I create, so the subscribers I've gained are not necessarily going to be interested in my long form content. I may try experimenting with clips from my long form in the future, but I really don't think these will create interesting short form content. If you're starting out on YouTube, I highly recommend experimenting with as many different types of content as you can, so you can capture analytics and data and learn from it. Shorts should definitely be part of your game plan, as they can be very rewarding and provide some instant gratification that you won't receive from your long form content at the start of your YouTube journey. If you've got some tips on how to use shorts to grow your channel, then please leave them in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, then please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can follow me on my YouTube journey. And with that, I thank you all for watching and I will catch you in the next one.